Okay, so welcome back guys. I'm about to hook up my old style flail mower to my Lovol 504 tractor. I will try to cut away approx 1 acre with grass here on my property. We have had a lot of rain this summer, so it's pretty wet I think in the ground. Also the grass is wet, so I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but hopefully I won't make a big mess on the field. So I just gotta try to do it and get done with the job. So stay tuned and check out how it's going. I was afraid it should be worse than it is. I have to drive in second gear low to be able to get the grass out of the flail mower. $1600–1700 RPMs seems to be I think the optimum range to stay in when you're working with the tractor. I was afraid the tractor might be crushing and damaging the ground, but it seems like it's going to be okay. The tractor approximately with the front end loader and the bobcat weighs about 3,500 kilos. So I think I'm about 3,700 with the machine hooked on. So this summer the weather here in Vesterålen has been really bad. For the most part we have had rain and lots of wind. Basically what people around here have been doing is staying inside, and only the most necessary things have been done. All the outdoor projects for both me and my wife and people around here has been put on hold because the weather has just been too wet and too windy. I mean, you don't always feel inspired to go outside and do outdoor projects when the weather is too bad. So people have, for the most part, been waiting. So hopefully we will have a nice autumn. also. The grass is wet, so it's heavy. Okay, so I'm done. I think it went a lot better than I would have expected. It took me about 40 minutes and I did not damage the field. I'm happy with the result. Only thing, I have covered the tractor with grass, but that's just how it is when I'm using the machine that I have. But anyway, I think the result became pretty good. I might take the edges down by the road and here by the ditch with my Vari Hurricane F550 someday. We'll see. Okay, so that's it from Vesterålen. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, and take care and have a nice evening, everybody. See you. Now I gotta clear away the mess.